All right, guys, we didn't get it before, but this is Allie. You guys know her. Underneath, I already did. We're doing a half. So I always do that underneath halo. And then right now, I'm doing the top. I like to pack them in really tight baby lights. She's really naturally light. She's like a level 8. We have extensions in her hair, and they have a nice low light, like a level 8. So what I'm gonna do is once I'm done, you guys see me do low lights, you know, every couple of foils and just do every 2 to 1 or whatever. I'm gonna show you a different way of doing them today, so you can place them exactly where you want them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am cleaning out all the cobwebs of all the videos I shot over the summer and have yet to catch up on. I know you guys like the longer tutorials and I have plenty of them coming for you guys, especially newer ones, but I do want to get rid of all these videos and get them out to you guys that were shot a while back. Quickly moving in, today I'm going to show you a little tip and trick I like to do on white blondes when they're very bright and very blonde, but you want to add a little slight dimension, but you're scared it could come off chunky or thick or too dark looking. This is the technique for you. So first of all, I go in and do all my baby lights. As you see, we're doing a half baby light on my bestie Allison. Of course, I'm adding Olaplex number 2 on the mids and ends, so it prevents any breakage in case that lightener swells in the foil. I am using Schwarzkopf Blami 20 volume and a 1/16 ounce of Olaplex. We're packing these foils in when I am doing a platinum blonde that wants to be more solid appearing. I do pack the foils in. You guys can see, you can count the hair left in between and even in the foil. These are like what I do around the whole hairline on a normal client that's getting baby lights. I like doing this and I don't mind packing in the foils if a client wants that certain look. It is a lot healthier to do this and do the work and put the work in instead of putting lightener all over the scalp and all over the hair. That will cause breakage. The integrity of the hair will be fried. And it's just not a good look. It always bands out and does weird things. That's why I'm not a fan of it. So now you see I'm doing very, 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 very beautiful detailed work around the hairline. You'll see why this plays a factor later on. But make sure when you go in and you're doing foil work, you're not being sloppy. You're not just throwing product on there and not caring, thinking you could fix it with a root shadow later on at the bowl, because some clients don't want a root toner. That's just realistic. A lot of clients, when they lift that perfect level 10, like Allison, she's a natural level 8.5, 9 almost. So she lightens very, very, very easily, very quickly, and always gets to that perfect level 10 in one sitting. So I always leave her hairline out most of the time, and I know she likes that brightness, so I make sure my detailed work around the hairline and the entire head, no matter if you're just leaving the hairline out or not, you always want to make sure you have back-to-back amazing work. Here's the little trick I do when it comes to adding low lights. I'm going to go in and I'm going to place them exactly where I want to see them instead of doing a, uniform 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1. I'm going in and some of them I'm going to weave them and I'm going to kick the ends out, and some of them I'm going to weave them and actually apply it all the way to the ends. This is going to help make it so it's not too dark into the ends and we still have a lot of brightness. But I like doing this trick, especially when they're white blondes, because I don't like to do anything uniform because it can come off looking too chunky. Granted, I'm doing baby light, so it's not going to look chunky anyway, but this is great for somebody who just needs a little dimension, because keeping that little dimension inside that hair will make that blonde look even blonder. Look how beautiful she lifted. I'm going to root tap her with 9N, 9NA, which is very rare. I usually use a level 8N, 8NA, but she lifts so light and she's light naturally, I always have to use a 9 with her. We're going to leave that entire hairline out, and then we're going to tone her all over with Goldwell Colorance 10V, 10P, and then we're going to let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. Rinse her out, condition her, blow dry her, and then I'll show you guys the final results.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing the fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Separate ways, not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind.
OMG, you guys, look at this result. Beautiful white blonde at its finest. I mean, I'm dead over this hair, and remember, a little dimension goes a very long way and it makes it look even brighter. Without any dimension, you will not look bright blonde. That's just fact. I do have a tutorial coming soon reviewing one of my favorite new curling irons. There's 2 of them, and I can't wait to show you guys what they are. I think you're gonna love them as well. Here's the final results. Lowlights are so subtle, but they're still there, and we are obsessed with this fresh blonde. Let me know down in the comments below video ideas you want to see, and I'll put them out for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, so long for now, guys.
I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind. My body